The Virginia Department of Education, in partnership with Pearson, has created a web-based parent portal that allows parents to access and view their child's Virginia State Assessment data. In this video, we're going to show you how to access this resource, create your free account, and view that assessment data. You're probably thinking, don't we already have a parent portal? Yes, we do. The BCPS parent portal you are familiar with allows you to check your child's grades and attendance, complete annual registration, and edit your school messenger preferences. The new Virginia Assessment Parent Portal allows you to view your child's assessment data. Although these are separate systems, there is important access information you will need from your BCPS Parent Portal. So, if you do not yet have an account, follow the link that just appeared to watch our tutorial video on how to set that up. As always, please reach out to your child's school if you need any assistance. Navigate to the Botetourt County Schools Division webpage. Go to the Parents tab menu, select Resources, and then select BCPS Parent Portal in the list that appears. On the page that opens, log in to your BCPS Parent Portal account. We have added a new section called Virginia Assessment Claim Codes to the navigation menu on the left. Select it to continue. On the page that opens, you will find a brief description of claim codes, links to helpful resources, and a table with any available claim codes for your child's recent Virginia assessments. To continue, click the Virginia Assessment Parent Portal link. When the page opens, select the Sign Up option to begin setting up your account. Complete each field with your information. The password needs to be 8 characters minimum and contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Then select Create Account. A confirmation message will appear and an email will be sent to the email address you provided with a link to activate your new account. Find the email from Pearson Access Next and click the blue Link to confirm and activate your account. You will be brought back to the Virginia Assessment Parent Portal, where a message in the upper left corner will confirm your account verification is complete. The information required to access your child's assessment data is located in the BCPS Parent Portal and must be entered exactly as shown to properly claim or connect your child to your account. Let's go back and get that information. The claim code is case sensitive, so we recommend you copy it for accuracy. Your child's first and last name must also be entered as they appear in the table. Navigate back to the Virginia Assessment Parent Portal when you're ready to continue. Enter your child's first and last name as they appeared, followed by their birth date, and then paste the claim code. Select Find Results. Any available test data will appear to the right. If you have several children, simply repeat these steps to claim them and view their assessment data. If at any point you receive an error message indicating no results were found, this means there is no assessment data for your child, or the claim code or demographic information was entered incorrectly. Beneath your child's assessment data are links to resources that will help you understand the results, view more detailed question information, and connect you with helpful instructional resources. Simply select the blue hyperlinks to learn more. If you have any questions about growth assessments, the Student Detail by Question report, or how to interpret your child's vertical scaled score, visit the Virginia Department of Education website for parents. Simply type in this shortened URL or scan the QR code. We hope this new resource from the Virginia Department of Education will make it simple for you to view your child's assessment data. Please reach out to your child's school if you have any questions or need assistance with setting up your parent portal accounts.